I'm moving out. See you later.
Oh, see ya.
Baby, you got me going oh so crazy. You got me in my mind, I've been thinking so lately. Broke down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually so shocked. This is probably one of the biggest purchases I have ever made in my life in one go. I have been editing all my vlogs, all my movies on Premiere Pro at college. On Mondays, I'll stay behind until like 5-6 p.m. from 12, just editing the vlog and uploading it because I can't really run it as well on my MacBook. It's a good MacBook. It's not brand new. I got it off eBay at a really good price. It's lightweight. I can do writing on it. It's not slow at all. It's just when it's running like that kind of software, it's a bit slow, or if I've got a lot of tabs open at once, it's a little bit like multicolour ball going everywhere. I was gonna get one in June when I'd finished my film course mid-June, and I'll be going on to do my A-levels in September for English. But Easter sale and everything, had a great talk with a friend, and long story short, I just bought one. Just like that. And I'll be so glad to be able to edit and everything at home rather than having to wait until I'm in college to do it. I knew I couldn't do it forever. So this vlog is going to be a PC unboxing, setting up, desk transformation. I can show you guys, take you guys along with me, set it all up, make it all aesthetic. I'm going to stop talking. I will see you tomorrow.
Do you mind eating his coffee?
I had to hide it from the redcoats.
Where?
Near
I barely even slept last night because I was too excited. I'm watching Dodger now. It's alright. I mean, the only reason I'm watching it is because of Thomas. But it's alright. It's okay. I put too much salt in these, but it's fine. Bro, it's the spectacles. What? Okay, but you know what, Belle? She's just annoying. Okay, so I think I'm going to quickly clear this off so that it's ready for the PC, and I need to figure out what I'm doing with these shelves. I've just double checked the PC is an all-in-one, so I won't have a separate box thing, so I won't have to move any of the shelves. But it would be nice to reorganize it because right now it's looking a little bit cluttered. Every video I'm doing something with my desk. That's because I am. I'm a writer and a filmmaker. I'm at my desk a lot. It's got to look cute, alright? Otherwise there is zero motivation.
Broke down, I've done it all before. Words are said, but they left right through the door.
There are literally cotton wool pads in my... and a choker. This? What even? Why do I have like this? Why? Why do I do these things? like 10 wires in there that were all snapped. That's so bad, I feel awful.
Love bites and breaks, things I can't bring myself to say, getting caught up in your mistakes. It wasn't how you planned it now. It wasn't how you had it hanging through your head, baby. Nothing really matters, so they say. Nothing ever falls in place, baby. You know I do.
Okay, I just got a message from Amazon saying that my little laptop stand thing is ready to pick up. Ooh. Oh wait, there are screws in it. I'm not a handy woman. Can we just appreciate that I did this myself pretty much perfectly without any help? I think it looks better there, and then this isn't so cramped. Went for a cookie run. Is a new day, or more specifically, it's Saturday. Basically had to wait because my parcel was delayed. Really hope it does come today, but just watching Daisy and ready to set up stuff here. Meesha. Sorry, you don't realise how heavy it is. I'm moving out, Mum. See you later.
Oh, see ya.
Oh, were you doing unboxing? Are you doing this right?
That's it.
Why is it so difficult? Oh, okay.
Want some help with that?
Mine, don't cut your fingers, please.
Oh, that's what I think.
Okay, we got there in the end. Ta-da! Yeah, this is it. So this.
That'd be the keyboard.
Ooh. If I can open it.
Oh, it's
Wireless. I think what I'm gonna do is move my desk decor
That's it.
so that it properly fits. I mean, you can play surfing while you're waiting. How do I do this? Oh, I'm doing so badly. Oh no! Hey, what is that thing like that? It's the octopus from Penguins. What is that? Dave. There we go. Do you think I should put some stickers on here too? I found some from that left over from when I decorated my laptop with them, and I don't know, should I? I'm probably not going to stick anything on it right now because it's brand new, but what do we think? Should I put something on there or should I just leave it? For now, I'm going to leave it, but I'm going to continue setting this up and changing the wallpaper and everything. It's going to take me a little while, so yeah. Do a little tour of my desk now that it's pretty much all set up. So on the main desk bit we have pens and stuff back here, just everyday pens I use here, and this weird pusheen person who is actually a lip balm. What is the lighting? Maybe I should just turn this light off for a minute just because it's making the... There we go, that's a little bit better. Gel pens, highlighters, Tipex, tape. And here we have like a load of beads. I have been thinking of putting something different in here, like beads, but I don't really know what else to put in it, and they're not that big. The keyboard and everything that goes with the PC, this little disco ball thing I got off Shein. Actually, a lot of these stands I got off Shein. This also Shein. I don't remember where I got that. This is Shein, but little... Am I saying it right? Shein. Right. Then fake plant speaker behind it that I'd never use. And this is also decoration. It's like little mini erasers from Smiggle, pie cookie things, the Asian food snacks mukbang thing that I did, and then just washing tape, my MacBook and my iPad, and just that. This is my phone stand because I don't have a proper tripod for it yet, and then my private speaker, and then I've got my Bluetooth keyboards and stuff, and my gaming one back there. Here I just have the books I use the most, so these are mainly writing books, world building, character building, film, random notes, Korean, that I'm trying to learn on Duolingo. I have a 70-day streak, I'm super proud of myself. Bigger books, this is for my fantasy universe I'm building up, and this is for my Elder Scrolls research, and this is like a mind map thing, like rip pages out of. That was my old iPad stand, but honestly there's not really much space for it. Unless I'm using it, I'll replace it where the keyboard is. Loads of wires and stuff, and like screen cleaners, and then in here is some like SD cards and everything. Lap desk. Then here is this random language thing I'm creating for one of my worlds. This is my old novel idea thing, but I made some new ones because I've actually thought of more. Graham Bartlett, he helped me write my crime novel, which I'm doing my final edit of before I send it to Agent Skyrim. Rare word things for Cheshire Celeste. Wanna eventually build it all the way over. That's it. I'm just gonna change the wallpaper and get all my stuff from my SD card and everything on it, and then I'm pretty much set up, and then I'm probably going to be using it for the rest of tonight. Let's be honest, I'm going to do something on it. I'm going to do some writing because it would be nice having a bigger screen and be able to have split views and everything. got a picture for the wallpaper. Well, what do we think about that? I like it. It's like a pixel art kind of landscape. I might change it though to like a proper organizer like I have on my laptop, where there are different sections where you can dump apps and files. I had a good feeling about this year, and so far we're going okay. The camera angle is a bit weird. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye all. Goodbye, goodbye.